YouTubers, we are back with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you guys can get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. Here we go. Take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast shipping. You'll get this in no time. Now with the holidays are full in effect, you get the Amazon Prime shipping for free without signing up. So you guys might want to take advantage and get one of these. Oh boy, it's something cool. At any age, 6 and up. It is from Summerease. STEM engineering build blocks. Kind of like the old days with the connects and stuff like that. Well, you can make a little race car like the Fast and the Furious. Make some Doom buggies. 5-in-1 models. So we're going to put together one model once my friend stops over. And I'll take a look and see how this works. And show you guys what's inside. We'll open that up at least. Get everything situated before we get to the main course. So hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everyone had a good Thanksgiving. Everybody's full and safe. Especially from Black Fridays. But we got Cyber Monday coming up also. So there'll be a lot of good deals coming up this year. Towards the end. Just can't believe how fast this year went by. So here we go. Getting inside. This should be easy setup. Got all the wheels and stuff here. I'm not gonna take it out until I start. We got some. I don't know. Something open up. Are those like the nuts and bolts? Surprised they're not in. Oh, they did open. Oh boy. Keep it a little together. So bam. So this is stuff you can make: a bike, off-road vehicle, a karting, Formula car. Oh, really cool. Warranty card, all that stuff. So there's that. Summerease. And we got more tools. So we're gonna put something together, and I'll be back, YouTubers. All right, see ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are with the final install. We made this. My friend came by and just made this right now. Got it really done up pretty good. Look at that. It moves. It glides. So it's all pieces together, 256. And you just gotta pick one you want to start working on and have fun. So really cool. And this is a drill. You're gonna need AA batteries. Just 2 AA's, so, and you just gotta unscrew it from there. There's a little screw, so you might want to have a screwdriver on hand. Electric drill works great, and that's for putting these in, fitting in stuff like that. So one tool for all, except for the screwdriver, and it comes with these. And then there's others just for the other projects if you want to do, but he's stuck with this one. So got it done pretty quick. Awesome stuff. So this will be a great Christmas gift for your nieces and nephews, your child. Great to educational. Oh, you gotta look at that. It moves. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And also this is for the tires, kind of like the NASCAR. You gotta go zzz, and then over here too, and easy to take down, so you can start over again and build something different, or you can make your own. Just gotta find out the wheels and everything. It's really cool. All right, YouTubers, so check them out. Link will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a great weekend, and see ya.